Here we go, guys. Here is my 3-row XJ right here, aka Project Beach Jeep. I just sat in the driver's seat. I had to move it back a little bit because I'm about 6'3" with my boots on. So I got enough room there. Plenty of room, front row, standard of course. It's bolted into the stock factory seat brackets. Oh, there's my new favorite part. We got studs coming up instead of that bolt that breaks off going down. There we go. There's the front row. Here we go. Here is my middle row. Now I just got out of this seat. It's a little tight for me, of course. I'm a big dude, but I was still just sitting in my XJ with 3 rows. Now it's tight, of course, because the seats are up. Again, factory seat brackets with another stud right there. Love it. But look at this. I got ZJ seats that are 60-40 split and they're folded down. Yes, that's right, guys. I have 3 rows in an XJ. Look at how much room there is. Got a lot of room for activities. I love this thing. A lot of work, but it is coming along, guys. Real videos coming soon. It's just a little taste, little updates for you here and there. Doing what I can, coming along slowly but steadily. And if you haven't seen my Instagram posts, there we go. Check out the Iron Rock off-road frame stiffeners. This baby is solid. It is a tank. Not going anywhere. There we go. IRO. All right, guys. Catch you later. Peace.